Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am bringing for you the amazing and just the perfect recipe for salada tamatam. We also called it Arabic salsa, or like you can call it tomato salsa for Arabic recipes like mandi and another kind of rice. But if you are new here, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because in the coming video I'll be showing you how to make the amazing mandi. So let's get started. To make this you need tomato. Take like around 2 tomatoes, 1 to 2 tomatoes, and dice them into small pieces. Once you are done with this, take your garlic. We need garlic here like around 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, not more than that. Peel the garlic, and the garlic will give that pinch of taste and aroma in your salada. After that, here I am adding in my chopper. Please don't forget that you need to use the chopper, not the blender, for this recipe. Use your chopper and then add in your tomatoes and garlic in the chopper. After that, here I am taking green chilies. It's completely up to you how hot you want it. So I'm just adding 1 green chili that I have diced into small pieces. And then here I am adding tomato paste, around 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So this will give it a nice rich color. Okay, so here I am adding some cilantro. Please make sure you are not going to add a handful of cilantro, because it will be giving you the greenish color, and we don't want the greenish color, we want the reddish color. So please just add a little bit of cilantro and the lemon juice. After that, please don't forget to add the salt and pepper as well. Now let your chopper do the magic, chop everything well, and then enjoy it with your favorite recipe as you like. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.